I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to make a lot of money online as an SEO consultant. But first, please permit me to explain who an SEO consultant is. An SEO consultant is someone who helps a business improve their website ranking on search engine results. An SEO consultant's goal is to make it easier for potential clients to find you and your business. An SEO consultant also helps you to remain competitive in your niche and also increase your business revenue generating potential. The full meaning of SEO is search engine optimization. So, this means that a lot of companies and businesses are looking for ways to be more visible on the internet. This also means that businesses and companies are willing to pay SEO consultants huge sums of money to help them become more visible on the internet. So hurry up now and take advantage of this opportunity and become an SEO consultant. Also, the beauty of this business is that it can be done from the comfort of your home. This business can also be a lucrative side hustle, meaning that you don't need to quit your job to start this business. There are a lot of SEO consultant jobs that are readily available on freelance websites which can pay you thousands of dollars every day. These are the list of freelance websites where you can find lucrative SEO consultancy jobs. They are Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, and freelancer.com. So these freelance websites have thousands of SEO jobs waiting for you to apply and make your money. So right now, please follow this step-by-step guide to start making money online as an SEO consultant. Step 1. Develop the necessary SEO skills that you need for your SEO consultancy career. You need to develop the necessary search engine optimization skills that you need to become a professional SEO consultant. Examples of SEO skills that you need to learn and develop are keyword research, link building, backlinks, digital marketing and copywriting skills, content creation and content marketing skills, keyword targeting skills, and data analysis skills. So make sure you develop and learn these skills so that you can become a professional SEO consultant. Step 2. Buy the necessary equipment and tools that you need for your SEO consultancy business. You need to buy the necessary equipment and tools that you need for your SEO consultancy business. Examples of equipment and tools that you need for your business are keyword research tools, SEO ranking softwares, SEMrush softwares, a laptop computer, internet connection, and Google Search Console. So make sure that you get these tools and equipment for your SEO consultancy business. Step 3. Start looking for jobs. After purchasing the necessary equipment that you need for your SEO consultancy career, you need to start searching for jobs immediately. You can find SEO consultancy jobs easily on freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, and freelancer.com. There are a lot of SEO consultancy jobs listed on these freelance websites, so make sure that you sign up to these websites and start applying for those jobs. You can also offer your SEO consultancy services to businesses and companies that are available in the city that you live in. So create complimentary cards and pass it out to companies that might need your SEO consultancy skills. Step 4. Create a website for your SEO consultancy business. You need to create a personal website for your SEO consultancy business. List all the services that you provide as an SEO consultant on your website. Fix the price for your consultancy services on your website. Also provide your contact details so that your clients can easily contact you for your services. Step 5. Promote your SEO consultancy business on social media. Make sure that you promote your SEO consultancy business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Create social media pages and also create well-written profiles for your SEO consultancy business. Make sure that you are very active on social media because this will help you find potential clients and customers that might need your services. So that's all for today. So make sure that you follow this step-by-step guide that I just provided for you to start a successful SEO consultancy business from scratch. So if you have any questions, ask me on the comment section right now. Ask me questions so that I can answer them immediately. I promise to reply every question that is asked of me on the comment section. So ask me your questions right now. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses on this channel. Also like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. Please do not forget to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money easily online. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. See you on my next video.